How to enable Apple Pay on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. And here you want to click on payments to access the payments section of your Shopify store. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to additional payments methods section and click on add payment method. Using the search bar, search for Apple Pay. If you don't find it, click on the search by provider and search for this 2C2P, which is a payment methods provider. As you can see, it allows over 86 payment methods, including, if you want to check from their websites, they allow Apple Pay as a payment method. As you can see, they provide it. So once you click on it, let's go ahead and activate it and install the app in our store. Once the app has been installed, as you can see, the account status is not activated because you need to add some information in order for you to activate it. So click on manage and you will be redirected to the payment provider website to add your information and set it up with your Shopify store, which is very easy. They just need your basic information and stuff like that. Clearly I can't do it because I don't want to show and disclose my personal informations, but after that it will be added and a lot of methods will be added as well, so you have the right to choose which one of them to use. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add Apple Pay as a payment method in your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.